How to use Pottery Barn Key Rewards Visa properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Pottery Barn Key Rewards Visa card offers rewards and benefits for home shopping, but beginners often make mistakes that limit value. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not understanding reward categories. Most people get this wrong by using the card everywhere without knowing it earns extra points on Pottery Barn, Williams-Sonoma, and West Elm purchases. Focus spending in these categories to maximize rewards. Second mistake, missing payment deadlines. You won't believe how many users pay late and lose points or pay unnecessary interest. Set up auto pay or reminders to avoid fees and protect your credit score. Third mistake, ignoring bonus offers. The surprising truth is that this card frequently has limited time promotions like extra points on seasonal purchases. Stay informed through emails and app notifications to capitalize on these bonuses. Fourth mistake, not redeeming points efficiently. Beginners often let points sit unused. Redeem points for discounts or gift cards regularly to get real value. Finally, overlooking card perks is common. Benefits like extended warranties, purchase protection, and travel insurance add significant value if used properly. Using the Pottery Barn Key Rewards Visa properly means understanding reward categories, paying on time, using bonus offers, redeeming points wisely, and leveraging card perks. Avoid these beginner mistakes to maximize both savings and benefits.